Hello and welcome to LexiEnglish. Today we will learn 10 daily conversation sentences with clear explanations and examples. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Sentence 1. How was your day? How was your day? We use this sentence to ask someone about their day. For example, when your friend comes home from work, you can ask, how was your day? Sentence 2. I am on my way. I am on my way. We use this when we are going somewhere and want to tell someone we are coming. For example, your friend is waiting for you. You say, I am on my way. Sentence 3. What do you mean? What do you mean? We use this when we do not understand something. For example, if someone says something confusing, you can say, what do you mean? Sentence 4. That sounds good. That sounds good. We use this to show we like someone's idea. For example, your friend says, let's watch a movie. You reply, that sounds good. Sentence 5. I will call you later. I will call you later. We use this when we are busy and cannot talk now. For example, you are in a meeting. You say, I will call you later. Sentence 6. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? We use this when we did not hear properly. For example, the phone connection is weak. You say, can you repeat that? Sentence 7. I am not sure. I am not sure. We use this when we are confused or don't know the answer. For example, someone asks you a difficult question. You say, I am not sure. Sentence 8. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We use this when something is not important. For example, your friend says sorry for being 1 minute late. You say, it doesn't matter. Sentence 9. Let me check. Let me check. We use this when we need to confirm something. For example, someone asks about the time. You say, let me check. Sentence 10. See you soon. See you soon. We use this when we are saying goodbye and will meet again soon. For example, after talking to a friend, you say, see you soon. Practice these sentences daily. Speak slowly and confidently. See you in the next lesson.